Thanks for joining. I'm Lisa Steinhardt, Director of Marketing for Socius. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to share with you 6 technology trends we're seeing in our distribution client base of more than 1,000 distributors. If you'd like to be a part of our Distribution Outlook survey, I invite you to visit our website. The survey takes about 10 minutes and is geared towards collecting information about the technologies companies deploy and contrasting that with what your employees think your company needs. We'll compile all the results in December, and each participant will receive a hard copy of the findings. The 6 trends that we're seeing in our distribution client base are the move toward a hybrid approach to deploying on-premise and cloud solutions, a new take on big data visibility, the next focus companies will have on CRM, how mobile has changed the way that we use business systems, the phase 2 of e-commerce systems, and finally, the need to better manage supply-side processing. We know that the market is shifting to cloud computing, and we've seen this market shift before, from timeshare computing to the shift in the 1990s towards client-server technology. And now this shift from client-server to cloud and mobile computing. In each shift, we see similar results. There will be winners, like Amazon and Netflix, and there will be losers, like Blockbuster and Kodak. As the market shifts to cloud and mobile computing, we see these drivers take shape. From the context of the business, most companies prefer enabling employees with more productivity versus hiring more people. Owners and CEOs prefer unified, easy-to-maintain business solutions that can be accessed from any part of the globe. CIOs want flexibility and the ability to impact the company quickly. And from the finance perspective, our clients are contemplating how the money works in the cloud space. Most prefer cost certainty and want to avoid unbudgeted spending. These contexts, of course, are painted in a perfect world. However, in most companies, technology is less than perfect and runs the gamut from ancient to modern. So the hybrid approach is widely embraced in our client base. Companies that distribute or make products have a long history of investing in on-premise, custom-built software solutions. Despite the expense associated with supporting and maintaining these systems, companies don't want to risk disruption to the business by pulling them out, so they're transitioning to cloud applications in conjunction with on-premise solutions, where it makes sense in their business for today. We're finding the general mindset to be driving towards all cloud in the future, but the reality is our clients want to move to the cloud in stages at a pace that suits them and their business. What we're finding is that several instigators require companies to consider cloud-based solutions. The first is an aging IT department that is retirement ready. These employees will be exiting the business, and the ones remaining don't have the legacy knowledge for operating, maintaining, and supporting custom-built business solutions or integrations. The second would be obsolete, unsupported solutions. The end of life for Windows Server 2003 is a great example. After July of 2015, if companies don't replace their infrastructure or upgrade Windows Server, this is going to expose companies to security risks as well as non-functioning capabilities. Moving to the cloud in this type of instance is often desirable to avoid the headache of an upgrade and the ongoing maintenance involved. Thirdly, the distribution industry continues to see a rise in acquisitions, which causes system connectivity dilemmas. This is often an instigator for companies to consider cloud solutions to quickly get everyone on the same business system. Companies' partnerships with outside vendors often require visibility in the supply chain that older systems were never meant to support. Today's modern solutions assist in providing this integration and visibility. Fifth in our trends was moving technology expense from CapEx to OpEx, perhaps for tax or other reasons. And finally, we see the low-risk approach, implementing cloud solutions alongside on-premise solutions in areas that are perceived to be of lower risk, such as HR or perhaps CRM. This applies to add-ons as well, such as web-based connectors that connect an on-premise ERP to a cloud-based add-on for things like warehouse management. Our second trend is on perspectives on business intelligence. In the past, these were expensive, complex, highly technical, IT-only driven solutions. Since 2000, we've had 3 major business upsets that forced companies to rethink their product mix, address buyers differently, and in many cases reinvent themselves. And all the work done to create these fabulous reporting dashboards had to be redone or left to languish. We're now conditioned as web application users to be visual people. We don't take time to read anymore. We listen as we multitask. We want quick hits of visual reference that tell us if things are great or if things need attention. And once we identify what needs attention, we want to zero in on cause and effect. Today, we're seeing pre-populated dashboards become an integrated part of business solutions. NetSuite, for example, includes them in their subscription, and they can be configured by you, your IT teams, or a partner like Socius. Microsoft has launched Power BI, which is astonishingly similar to Excel. Power pivot tables and new ways to look at data, for example, are now available at a fraction of the cost and can be implemented in a fraction of the time that it used to take. Today's perspective on BI has morphed into visibility for all, with self-service elements that get IT away from the barrage of report writing requests. Today's focus is on actionable data and providing focus to what tasks must be managed today. Here's an example of a Power BI report using video. Based on Excel, it enables users to quickly review impactful data that could come from a variety of systems. Connecting a data warehouse of historical sales information, for example, to the ERP and CRM solutions. Power BI and its capabilities will fundamentally change how we consume impactful data. We'll be seeing more video reports and stories versus the spreadsheet reports you might be receiving today. Dashboards today can reflect your quarterly goals as well as your long-term vision. By empowering workers with visual data, we give them the opportunity to provide innovation in our companies and address issues before they become a real problem. Our third trend is the evolution of CRM. Most CRM systems today are built for sales operations, from lead management to pipeline management to quoting, forecasting, and commissions. CRM is now a mature solution for sales. Marketing, however, is a different story. Today's CRM systems, like Microsoft Dynamics CRM, are undergoing a revolution that joins marketing to the corporate systems, enabling workflows to automate marketing activity, providing analytics and real-time tracking of campaigns is helping companies keep headcount low and impact high. It's also enabling marketing to determine where to invest and how much, and then to measure the impact. In some solutions like NetSuite, we're seeing a unified platform that joins CRM with ERP and even e-commerce. So again, the ability to configure workflows and automation puts leads into the hands of sales faster, and moving sales orders through the order-to-cash process faster improves cash flow. Our phones today provide us with any piece of information that we need. Using mobile devices, we're able to work 24/7. This way of working is now being integrated to today's business systems. They are mobile accessible, device agnostic, and include streamlined workflows. What you're looking at here is sales productivity using CRM. You've seen how sales employees and their resources are preparing for their day of sales calls, communicating status, scheduling resources, and more. Microsoft has put real emphasis on how we work by combining Microsoft Office in the cloud, which is referred to as Office 365, and integrating the functionality in Office to CRM and ERP. These systems are incorporating Office in everyday workflow and making it possible to review employees' availability, send texts immediately, interact via video, whether with people inside or even outside our company. We're seeing distributors focusing also on multi-channel resources to sell products, to capture consumers alongside online B2B customers that want self-service sales. E-commerce sites and your ability to push products to your website has a direct impact on sales. Ensuring that you're not selling inventory that you don't have is critical to customer satisfaction. And moving e-commerce orders immediately to fulfillment from your ERP system improves fulfillment rates, which not only makes customers happy with quick deliveries, but it helps you capture revenue from these sales much faster. Finally, our clients are beginning to explore better ways to manage visibility up and down the supply chain. They want to be able to quickly react to potential or real disruptions. Real-time transparency used to be impossible. NetSuite and Microsoft are making this visibility a little bit easier with real-time portals that connect the company to supplier systems. The exchange of information and visibility in real time is promoting stronger supply chain relationships, which ultimately lead to better financial performance. At Socius, we hold annual executive discussions. We call these meetings Path Forwards, and they're designed to help us communicate to our clients market trends that impact business. And we help them align their business goals with the right technologies for productivity and visibility. As we compile the findings from Path Forwards, we aggregated our clients' priorities for this year. Their focuses in 2015 for technology will be on CRM, e-commerce integration, mobile deployment, and business intelligence projects. They plan to reduce spend by improving productivity, automating manual tasks that delay cash flow, and targeting ways to reduce inventory spend. Much like all businesses, their top priorities are increased revenues and margins. But for the first time in our analysis, we're seeing more clients embrace visibility of company performance and looking at ways to speed cash flow. Socius brings a mix of expertise and experience to the table for our clients. We focus on influencing the high-value areas of our clients' business and help them with lower-cost tactical needs. We do this through our portfolio of business platforms. Our experience and expertise working with these platforms uniquely positions us to help you make the right choice for your business. Our 30-year history has provided us with industry experience that enables us to guide our clients towards best practices. Coupled with our broad portfolio of products and services, we've uniquely tuned these products to the needs of the industries we serve. To learn more about Socius or to learn about our on-premise hosted and multi-tenant offerings, please contact us or visit our website.